'Tis the season to be jolly. Fa la 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 la.
Come on, you can do it.
I love the season and I'm not sorry. Fa la 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 la. I hope you watch this and press the like button for la 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 la. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. For la 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 la. Hey guys!
Hi!
Welcome to another video from
Apple X Free.
Cake Day 5.
Ooh.
Happy Hanukkah! That works?
Hey! Merry Christmas!
And we come to you with eggs. We're going to be baking, guys. Apple forced me to do it.
I did no such thing. I pitched the idea and she was ready to do it.
Listen, you see the way I wanna know how to bake? The egg them must sweat them nervous.
I'm nervous. Oh no! But we have the instructions, guys. We have Google.
And we're baking from scratch.
Yeah, so buttercream, cake, all the works. We did 2 flavors.
I'm doing this
For backbone, we're doing 2 flavors.
Archery.
We're doing. No, in here. In here. That's one in here. Oh, no.
One being when you hold your body, you connect to your arm.
That mix it. We have vanilla. And
Chocolate. And we have food coloring. We got red.
we got green.
I'm red.
I'm green. So, yes. Ready to get into this, guys.
It's
Oh,
the
that's
season to be jolly. Ba la 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 la.
I mean, put mine up here.
Can I tip some.
Some rum.
Y'all
Y'all got alcohol.
No, vanilla one. I'm just like.
It's the right time. It's the to rock the night away. Jingle bell time. It's a swell time. One
Time
horse
to
sleigh.
bake some cake. Time to bake some cake.
Why this a basic chocolate cake? I don't want a basic chocolate cake. I ain't no basic. So this is my plate, guys.
This is my plate.
Baking soda. I got baking soda. Now say something. Baking soda. I got baking soda. And I'm comment down below. Children, stop the noise. Children, stop the noise. Hi, honey. You just coming home from work? I can do this for a living. I can do this for a living. Children, let's head to do your homework.
I got butter.
Why do we need butter? Cause butter make it taste better. Butter make it taste better. Butter make it taste better. Butter make it taste better.
Oh my, they've been sitting there for a while. I think they're semi at room temperature. It's whoa.
So it's always just me, eh?
My little cakes.
So while off camera, we made our buttercream.
We made goop.
So moving on to the cakes. This is
Goop.
the
This is the chocolate.
and this is the
The demon love child. It's like gonna go smooth. Get down tough.
Whoa.
I'm not sneezing.
I'm offended. There we go. We go right down to the bottom. Guys,
Oh my god, look!
we told you that it was just the icing, guys.
We did a marble at the top. I don't know. So look at the cake. Got some buttercream here.
How much hours?
It's still warm, but that's fine.
How much hours the COVID people them did take before they start Twitch? I'm gonna give you a couple minutes.
That's correct.
No,
You shine. Alright.
I have something for Apple.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Here we go. Here we go.
Thank you.
So guys, this is our cake.
It tastes really nice.
It does.
So guys, this is the last day of our 5 days of Christmas. Hope you like,
Comment.
share,
And
and subscribe. Do, and don't forget that bell. Do, and don't forget that bell.
I forgot we had a bell.
Do, and don't forget. Later guys, see you Sunday.